Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu will have to decide whether he wants to be the president of Nigeria or he wants to be the chairman of NURTW. If he wants to be the president of the country, we are a country governed with the constitution, and there is a clause that makes it your responsibility to protect life and property. If he wants to be NURTW chairman, he can go and contest with his boy Oluwade so that they can have the factional chairmanship if you want to implement motopark politics and recklessness. Nigerians must not allow this level of recklessness and rascality to be brought into governance. Everybody must resist it. What exactly is the courage? On what performance is Tinubu requesting for a second term? On what record? What effrontery? Insecurity in Nigeria today. Nigeria is the 5th most terrorized nation in the world. Nigeria is the world's headquarters for maternal mortality. We have more than 130 persons living in extreme and multi-dimensional poverty. Today, Nigeria has become so corrupt that we can afford to hand over contracts of a coastal highway of over 15 trillion to a friend of the president who, by the way, is a convicted money launderer in the USA. In fact, the president took the 2nd highest national honors in Nigeria quietly to France to award to Gilbert Chagoury, GCON, a title reserved for our vice president, the senate president, and the speaker, to give to in a private ceremony without even the National Assembly or the knowledge of the Nigerian state. That is where Nigeria is today. Under Tinubu, we do not know the level and the extent to which there is criminality in the country's budget. In 2025, according to the Minister for Health, over 200 billion budgeted for capital expenditure for the Ministry of Health. Less than 40 million was released for capital expenditure. Meaning in Nigeria today, we have more renewed hopelessness campaign buses than we have Federal Ministry of Health emergency ambulances. A senator came out and said in 2023, 24, and 25, the